The 5G Wi-Fi Dash Cam offers a comprehensive view with its triple camera setup, capturing footage in 4K resolution at the front and 1080p resolution for both interior and rear views, effectively eliminating blind spots. Seamlessly connect your smartphone to the dash cam using the built-in 5G Wi-Fi, which allows for easy video sharing and management through a dedicated app. The dash cam features a loop recording system that automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring that you always have the most recent driving videos. Equipped with a smart G-sensor lock, the dashcam automatically records and protects videos during sudden collisions or impacts, ensuring that crucial evidence is not lost. The advanced night vision technology, combined with wide dynamic range and infrared LEDs, ensures clear video quality even in low-light conditions, while the parking monitor provides added security when your vehicle is stationary. The dashcam comes as a complete kit with a 64GB SD card and mounting accessories, making it easy to install and operate without leaving adhesive marks on your windshield.